Hey, welcome to Redesign That Car. This is my very first video on this channel, and it was inspired by my hatred of the new 2022 WRX. So that inspired this channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm not an expert at Photoshop or anything, and this is not fancy, but I just tried to correct the things that I hate about the new WRX here. And mostly it's the excessive black cladding and the tail lights. So let's take a look at what I fixed. First of all, I have less black cladding around the wheels. I reduced it substantially. I kept it thick towards the back and thin towards the front. I made the wheels bigger and brighter because bright wheels pop out against that cladding a lot better. The black or dark wheels make the wheels look tiny, so they needed to be brighter. Also made the exhaust tips single exhaust tips and made them bigger as well. I think they stand out better as single exhaust tips. New taillights as well, because the taillights look like Honda taillights, so those had to be changed, and I just made them more square, basically. I also brought some body color onto the rear diffuser because there's just too much black plastic down there. It just looks bad. So adding some paint, I think, improved that. I also changed that black trunk lid to body color as well, just because there's too much black on the rear end. I also moved the rear side reflector so it aligns with the vent on the front wheel well. So it lines up there. I thought it makes much more sense up towards the top. So again, here's what the 2022 WRX actually looks like. And here's my fix. So let me know what you think. If you like these changes, give it a thumbs up or tell me in the comments what would be better. If you want to subscribe, that would be cool too. I might do some more Photoshop redesigns if anyone's interested. And hey, thanks for watching.